Hey, how's it going? So today we're unboxing a car refrigerator, 12 volt refrigerator. The brand is called ROADVIEW. So let's go ahead and unbox it here. And usually would tip this over or take it out, but since it's a refrigerator, you want to try and leave it face up for longer periods of time to keep the refrigerant from not acting up. Alright, so this uses a compressor. This is a 23 quart, which is 22 liters. Let's see if I can maybe put it up on the box so it's closer. Better view for y'all. Alright, let's see. Is that good? Am I in frame? No, I'm not. Okay, so let's do it like that. How about that? Alright, so here we go with the unboxing here. Just going to take off the plastic. Alright, so here's the back of it. As you can see, it's just simple ABS plastic. Here's a little vent for it to breathe. On the left side, you'll see there's a nice little carry handle recessed into the body. Not too deep, but it's good enough to get your fingertips in. Here's the front. As you can see, here's the wording here, the brand, ROADVIEW. Here's the front where you can see the compressor a little bit. And from here, it's just a simple open. Trying to see, oh yeah, it looks like it's magnetically shut. Yeah, you can see it just sucks in from the magnets. Here we have a very nice chain here, and it looks like you can remove the chain if you need to. Here's some of the details here. Drinks around 5C, juices, wine, fruits, veggies. Okay, here's the inside, nice, spacious. Here you can see is the menu, the control center, and here it even tells you ensure proper keep it upright for 12 hours. And in the back right side, you can see here's where you could do the DC and 24 volts. There you go. So let's look at this again here. So there's no drain port. The lid has a nice rubber seal. You can see it's like a recess into the plastic here, but it's a nice thick seal. As you can see, the lid's nice and thick, about maybe 1.5 inches. Construction looks very well. And it closes very nice and snug, but you're still able to open it with one hand. Just had to kind of spread your fingers. Alright, so let's see what we have in this package here. They've taped it very nice and tight here. You can see where the tape starts. Alright, so let's see what we have inside. Okay, so we have the manual. This model is a C, should be the C29. Comes with a nice cleaning cloth. Here's the DC, which plugs into the port in the back, which is kind of like an AC adapter. But this one's the DC plug. And this, I would assume, would be AC with a power brick. Yeah. There's AC with a power brick here, and let's see. Output of 14.5 volts at 6 amps, 87 watts. So that should charge it pretty darn fast. And of course there's the little plug, so let's go ahead and plug it so we don't lose this. Alright, again, here's the manual here. It tells you to plug in like a car adapter with the DC plug. The built-in model. Here's the little details about the menu. All right. So the inside, again, this is the 23 quarts. So the measurements is Alright, so let's look at the inside here. Again, this is the 23 quarts. So inside, the dimension is almost 14 inches wide, 13.8 by 9.6, and it should be 10 inches deep. So that should fit most of your drinks, including Gatorade bottles. I don't have a bottle out here with me, but you should be able to fit a lot. You know, at 23 liters, 23 quarts, you can fit a lot in here. Okay, so here, let's go ahead and turn this on here. Let's see if it has any power. Alright, so here's just a quick look, unboxing of the ROADVIEW 23 quart 12 volt refrigerator using a compressor. I'm just trying to scroll down and see what the model is. C22L is the model. Here you go. The model is C22, rated at 45 watts. Uses the R134A, 26 grams of refrigerant. Alright, if you have any questions or comments, leave it below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one. Again, this is a C22L ROADVIEW car refrigerator, 12 volts.